Using any of the self-defense gadgets on this list can get you locked up for real. 50,000 milliwatt laser. Pointing a laser at an aircraft can get you fined $11,000. Now imagine wielding this handheld laser. Lasers over 5 milliwatts can blur vision, scorch the retina, and lead to irreversible blindness. With its potential for dangerous misuse, owning such a laser risks hefty fines and legal consequences in many places. Pistol lighter. A pistol lighter, resembling a firearm, ignites with the click of a trigger, often used as a novelty or collectible item. However, its realistic appearance can lead to mistaken identity by law enforcement, risking arrest or charges for carrying what might be perceived as a weapon in public. Police lights. If you're not in law enforcement, police light gadgets can quickly get you arrested. Using flashing lights, sirens, or LED bars to mimic police vehicles is illegal and considered impersonation, a serious crime in many places. Unauthorized use can lead to fines, vehicle impoundment, or even jail time, as they pose significant public safety risks. Destruct USB. The Destruct USB device permanently erases hard drive data with military-grade precision. Plug it into your PC, boot up your PC, and boob. Your data is gone, irrecoverable. While this tool safeguards privacy when disposing of computers, its power is equally dangerous. In the wrong hands, it can wipe sensitive data instantly. Stun case. A stun gun phone case packs a shocking punch. It has a hidden stun gun ready to incapacitate an attacker at the tip of the phone case. While legal in many areas, carrying one in restricted regions could mean hefty fines, imprisonment, or even felony charges. Grenade power bank. Hand grenade power banks add a quirky twist to portable charging, but their realistic design can easily spark confusion. Airport authorities have detained travelers carrying these, mistaking them for real explosives and alarming bystanders. Despite their function and capacity, these power banks could lead to serious legal trouble, especially when taken to the wrong places. Wasp knife. The Wasp injection knife is a powerful self-defense weapon, combining a blade with a gas canister that releases freezing gas into its target, causing tissue to expand rapidly. While legal in some areas like Texas and Arizona, it's banned in others due to its lethal potential. Misuse could lead to serious charges. Paintball cannon. With its rapid 30 rounds per second firing rate, the EMT paintball sentry turret is a powerful paintball tool, but misuse can lead to serious legal trouble. Designed for controlled paintball games, its high speed and remote control could result in charges of assault or disturbing the peace if used irresponsibly. Laser marker. A fiber laser marking system uses a focused light beam to create durable, precise marks on materials like metal, plastic, and wood. From industrial part identification to graphic marking, it operates at 1070 nanometers, making it powerful enough to permanently alter surfaces. However, using this tool to tag public property is illegal vandalism. Lil Buddy. The JDSU LB110 Lil Buddy test set is a powerful tool for telecom professionals, allowing them to test lines' dial numbers and evaluate sound quality using direct line power. No batteries needed. However, misusing it to eavesdrop on private calls is illegal in the US, potentially leading to criminal charges and strict law enforcement attention. Arctic Spider. The Arctic Spider 3 laser resembles a Star Wars lightsaber and can be equally hazardous. With a powerful beam visible up to 4.3 miles, it's crafted from aircraft-grade aluminum and runs for about 2 hours per charge. Misuse, such as pointing it at people or vehicles, risks temporary blindness and legal consequences. Magnetic GPS. The Magnetic GF07 Mini GPS tracker, weighing just 7 ounces, offers a covert tracking option for bikes, cars, or individuals. With a 4 to 6 day battery life, it connects to Google Maps for easy tracking. However, unauthorized use to monitor others could lead to privacy violation charges. Turbo decoder. This is a sophisticated lock-picking tool designed specifically for HU-83 type locks, commonly found on cars from 2006 to 2017. This tool allows users to open car doors, trunks, and ignitions quickly without damaging the lock. By manipulating the lock's internal mechanism, the turbo decoder produces a key code that enables easy duplication of a new key.